Hello, Matthew Wilson, Worms Etc. here. It's February 8th, 2013. It's been a little bit cold. Of course, it's winter. February has to be expected. The worms, they reproduce really fast in the spring, but come winter, they slow up because it's cooler. But we need a lot of worms for the spring because a lot of fishermen and stuff are going to need worms. So I'm trying to warm the worm beds up here somehow efficiently and cheaply. So what I've done is I've made this cover for them with some clear polycarbonate, and I'm hoping that the sun will go through it and heat it up kind of like a little small greenhouse. Now we're actually in a greenhouse here, and I used to cover the whole thing with plastic, but it just becomes a real hassle with management to have the whole thing covered with poly, because it's difficult to feed them from the side of the greenhouse when you have the plastic on it, because there's no way really to get to it. So, but I'm hoping that by just covering up a couple of beds with these covers here, that it will solve the problem, or at least help out. It's real simple, and I just have it here so that they fold up so that you can feed them. I'll put a little chain here to hold the door so that you can just open it and feed them worms. But I'm just going to try this in a couple beds and see how things go. It's February, like I said, February 8th, and usually the breeding cycle is about 21 days. So what I'll do is I'll build this one here, then I'll come back later and check it in 21 days and see if it has more eggs than the one beside it, which I will not cover it. But for now I'm going to finish, I did one, I want to do one more right here to cover this little section. And we'll be back in about 21 days, about 3 weeks from now.